So the question is, are you a blush person? Are you always in search of a new blush color? Do you also get excited when you apply blushes? If you have said yes to all the questions, this video is for all of you guys out there who love blushes. And also for you guys who are trying to experiment with blushes. And they don't need foundation like all other powder blushes. Cream blushes are super independent. Be like cream blushes. Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanki. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my favorite blushes. Keeping in mind that all these blushes are below 300 rupees. Maximum of them are below 250, but I think one or two of them are above 250. So this is really affordable, and these are cream blushes. Like, cream blushes are really expensive as compared to powder blushes, but I really like a good cream blush because it blends. You can see, honestly, it looks like a second skin but a different color. I am definitely a blush person, so this video, I am so excited to film this video. Without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so let's start with the one that I most trust, and most of you guys know about this blush. This is the oldest liquid blush that I own. I'm talking about these blushes. These are Kiss Beauty blushes. I have all the 4 shades, but the most used shade, which I'm about to finish in like real soon. So this is the shade number 2. This is the most used blush of mine. This gives a sort of a very peachy tone. I didn't use this one today because, well, as I said, this is the most used blush, and today I try to experiment something new. Now these 4 blushes, I bought it as a set, so it came around 500, but you can get this as a singles, which will come around 200 or 250. The singles are available in Cuffs and Lashes, but unfortunately in Amazon it comes as a set. So if you are thinking about good liquid blush at very affordable range, look no further. Get the Kiss Beauty blushes because they are really worth it. Really worth it. Yeah, so I have applied the shade number 4 today on my eyes, this region, and a little bit this region. Actually, the look today I created with like 4 blushes that I'm about to show you guys, so it's very hard to tell you guys where this blush stands. So anyways, but you get the hint. Obviously I'm going to add swatches, so you don't have to worry. Go ahead, buy these blushes. They are the oldest liquid blushes that I own, and I still wear them. Even after having so many blushes now, I still reach these blushes. They are really very good, blends so well, so you don't have to work. Basically just apply and dab with your fingers and you are good to go. Highly recommend these blushes. So the next blush is my recent favorite blush. I've been using this quite a lot, like every day. So these are this cute blushes, and these are cream blushes, very easy to apply. These are from our Instagram store, Instagram page. They make their own blushes, lipsticks and everything, so I ordered these from them. Unexpectedly they came within a week of ordering them, so it's super quick. So I think they are from Mumbai. So the brand is Alia. So I'm going to leave her Instagram page link down there. So the blushes costs around 200. They have shipping charges as well. If you buy a lot, you don't have to pay shipping charges. This is what I have figured out with every Instagram store. I've been shopping quite a lot from all the small businesses on Instagram. So I have found literally really good makeup product which can give competition to big brands. So I'm really loving shopping from small businesses nowadays. So let me know if you guys want a haul of products from all the small businesses that I bought from IG stores. I would love to do that. I think I'm going to do that. So anyways, these are the blushes. They are so good quality. Oh my god, you can see they are so creamy that I dipped my fingers and it has an impression of my fingers. I hope you can see that with my phone wonderful camera. So yeah, these are the blushes. The shade that I have is Peach and Peach Bloom. Like, literally love these blushes. I have been used so much. And yeah, let's move on to my next blush. So the next blush is not a blush, it's a lip and a cheek tint. So I was like, I don't have a lip and a cheek tint. What's the fuss about all these lip cheek tints? Because they are getting really popular and I really wanted to try them. So also I didn't want to try all those lip and cheek tints which are priced like more than 500, 700, even 1000 also. I can't commit to such expensive products. What if I don't like? So I found out a lip and a cheek tint which is priced at 350 rupees, and that is really good. It's also a small business owned Instagram page. So the page is Nikki Skincare. I guess I'm going to link everything in the description box, so please check that out. It's very important if you want to reach them. And so this is the packaging. This looks so pretty, by the way. This looks like a freaking nail polish. So the brand is Nikki Skincare, They also have few skincare products as well, but I didn't try any of them, so I have no idea. This is the blush and a lip gel. You can apply it on your lips as well. By the way, everything that I'm showing you guys, all are vegan, so don't worry about anything. This is a blush and a lip gel. The shade that I got is Cheeky Nude, which is kind of yellow to brownish tint. They also have a pink and a red shade. I didn't want to have a pink shade because I don't vibe with pink blushes. I really like coral peachy blushes and nude yellow type of blushes, so obviously I had to get the nude one. This is really a great tint. It applies so good, and I really don't know, it is like really tempting. I feel like I'm gonna have a raspberry juice or something when I open it, but don't consume this please. I don't want to be responsible for any death. The next blush is the one that I really applied today. You can see all over my face this blush, even on my lips. So let's welcome with a drum roll my new favorite blush. Ta-da-da-da! This is the one. This is the blush that I applied all over my face today, and currently loving everything about this blush. So this is the Beetroot blush from Tycee Cosmetics. So Tycee is also a really popular IG store, mainly popular for lip gloss, but they have also created blush, and I am being the very blush addicted person. I had to buy blush from them as well. So I got this one and I was like, whoa, the pigment is too much. The first time when I applied it, I looked like a tomato. Yeah, it was not a makeup look. I looked like a freaking tomato. Today is the second time that I applied it, and the entire time I was crossing my fingers like I don't look like a tomato if I put too much of blush, which is like a tad bit bad habit that I have. So I toned down. I didn't apply too much blush, but you can see, you know, look at this pigment. It is like just the perfect blend and everything. And you know what, I was not planning to put it on my lips, but I had a lot on my fingers, so I had to put it on my lips. So you can understand how much pigmented this blush is, and I think this is going to last you for like your lifetime. Quality is really good, and it blends so well. To make it permanent, you should just put a little bit of compact or translucent powder, just set it so it will last you longer. And also Tycee Cosmetics had their own website, so I think I'm going to link the website as well for you guys. It will be helpful for you guys because maybe you are not on Instagram, so you can only just click the link and buy it if you want to. So, and also Nikki Skincare also had their own website. Only Alia Cosmetics do not have their own website. You have to go DM them. The lady is really good. The behavior, the service is really good. I am really impressed by how they treat their customer and everything. So go ahead and buy from them. I really wanted to share all these favorite cream blushes of mine, cream slash liquid slash tints, all of them, because like really you guys are missing out on a lot of good things if you are not buying from small businesses. Like, they are so good. And by the way, this video is no way sponsored. I bought each of them with my own money. You guys, if you haven't bought from any IG stores, you are like kind of freaked out that your money will get wasted and you won't receive the product. But I know it can happen, but it never happened with me because I research well. I look through all their reviews, customer testimonials, reviews, and their products, how many posts they have, and how frequently they are coming up with new products, or how often they are replying to their customers. I also have bought them and used them, so there is no way if you buy from these stores, the ones that I listed, you are going to get, you know, cheated on with your money. No one is like gonna vanish in thin air with your money. Keeping in mind that you have researched well, you are good to go with buying from IG stores. I feel that because I have bought quite a few products now, so I am at a state that I can say that IG pages are doing good, are not like total scam. Now with all that disclaimers, I had to throw in a little bit of disclaimer. You know, the main reason I love cream or liquid blushes over powder blushes is because I sometimes don't like to put on foundation, concealer, and all that 7 steps of makeup. I don't know, I just sometimes like to look like an anime character with a lot of blushes on my nose, and powder blushes doesn't give that same result. It looks really bad, patchy. Cream blushes, however, they look super good, super cute, and I just love them for that. Cream blushes are freaking independent. They don't need foundation like all other powder blushes. Cream blushes are super independent, be like cream blushes. And also the small brands that I have talked to you guys in this video, they have literally 10 other shades of blushes, so don't worry. So these are not all the blushes options that you have. So they literally have lots of, mainly Alia Cosmetics have like 10 different other shades. I was like super confused while choosing because all the shades are really tempting. They have literally good pink and nude blushes too, and even red. So it was really tempting to choose. But yeah, that's about my blush collection still now, but I don't know about future. So I hope you have found this video useful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Most of you guys are watching my videos and not subscribing. What is this, guys? Subscribe and be a part of this fun group. And with that being said, I'm going to go now. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want everybody else to give.